numerous reactions that have been coming in, because it is not just Mamata Banerjee. The opposition's response on the issue of Hindus being persecuted in Bangladesh has now been drawn to a false parallels as well. We'll talk about the other opposition leaders as well. PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti, who has compared Bharat to Bangladesh, saying that even when it comes to minorities in India have often been the target. Now, she's equated when it comes to Omar Khalid, the poster boy for the Tukde gang, with Chinmoy Krishnadal, the symbol of Hindu resistance, a monk, a seer no less. The Congress party, after its delayed condemnation, now is accusing the Modi government of cowardice. Mamata Banerjee's nephew Abhishek Banerjee too has demanded tougher action against Bangladesh and a tougher stand to be taken by the government of India.
जब हमें और बांग्लादेश में कोई फर्क ही नहीं रहेगा, हमारे यहाँ हम माइनॉरिटीज को तंग करेंगे, उनकी मस्जिदों को तोड़ के शिवलिंग ढूंढेंगे.
Whatever is happening with the minorities in Bangladesh, same thing is happening in India.
It is happening in our country. Every day minority is under attack. Every day, the place of religion. Every day under attack.
And it is, the onus is on the union government to take it with the Bangladesh government or the interim government who is doing such atrocities.
मोदी सरकार की कायराना, बुज़दिलाना और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर कमजोर पड़ना.
Well, let's in the meantime also listen in when it comes to the clamor for justice is concerned for persecuted Hindus in Bangladesh. That is escalating from all quarters. When it comes to filmmakers, actor-turned-politicians are also questioning the interim government in Bangladesh.
I think it's absolutely sad, and we condemn the kind of vigil we see on social media and television. It's highly condemnable, and I hope the government of Bangladesh takes care of the Hindu community over there, because it's very sad when we see all these videos over there. And I hope the authorities over there act fast and put all the people who are doing this kind of thing, to book them.
ऑफ कोर्स यस, हम लोग उनको पूरा प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, और हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का थॉट प्रोसेस बहुत क्लियर है. कहीं पे भी इंडियंस हैं, भारतीय हैं, और वो किसी भी जात के हों, हिंदू हों या मुस्लिम हों, उन पर अत्याचार नहीं होना चाहिए. प्रधानमंत्री जी का ये थॉट बहुत क्लियर है. हिंदुओं पर अत्याचार और इस तरह से हो रहा है, ये बहुत बर्दाश्त के काबिल है.